What if your bank felt more like a financial partner than a place to park money? Most people get this wrong, but here's why Golden Gate Banking still matters in 2026. Golden Gate Banking blends traditional banking stability with modern digital tools. It offers checking and savings accounts designed for everyday use, with an interface that's clean and intuitive. One major strength is its all-in-one dashboard. Users can track spending, saving, and upcoming bills in one place without juggling multiple apps. You won't believe how much stress this removes for people managing busy financial lives. Golden Gate also focuses on transparency. Fees are clearly explained, and alerts notify users before charges occur. The surprising truth is that avoiding fees often saves more money than chasing high interest rates. Another highlight is customer support accessibility. Users report faster response times compared to many digital-only banks, which matters when dealing with real-life issues. However, Golden Gate doesn't aim to be cutting-edge in investing or high-risk growth. It prioritizes reliability over flash. That may not appeal to thrill seekers, but it builds trust. So, is Golden Gate Banking still worth it in 2026? If you value stability, clarity, and everyday usability, the answer is yes. It's ideal for users who want dependable banking without complexity. Subscribe for more honest reviews that help you choose smarter financial tools. Title start Next Gen Wealth App Review 2026. Is it still worth it? Title END Script Start What if managing wealth in 2026 isn't about chasing trends, but about using smarter systems most people completely overlook? The surprising truth about the Next Gen Wealth app may change how you think about personal finance. Next Gen Wealth app is built for people who want a clear, structured view of their entire financial life in one place. From the moment you sign up, the app walks you through linking accounts, setting goals, and understanding where your money is actually going. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on balances, but NextGen focuses on behavior and direction. One of the app's strongest features is its goal mapping system. Instead of generic advice, it breaks goals into timelines like short-term stability, mid-term growth, and long-term wealth. For example, if your goal is to save $10,000 in 2 years, the app calculates realistic monthly targets based on your income and spending patterns. NextGen also uses predictive insights. It analyzes your cash flow and alerts you before potential problems happen, not after. You won't believe how helpful it is to know 3 weeks in advance that a tight month is coming. Another standout is its education layer. Rather than overwhelming you with complex charts, the app explains what's happening in simple language. The surprising truth is that users who understand their finances are far more likely to stick with their plans. On the downside, NextGen Wealth app does not directly manage investments or move money for you. It's a planning and insight tool, not a robo-advisor. That means success depends on your willingness to act. So, is NextGen Wealth app still worth it in 2026? If you want clarity, foresight, and better decision-making without confusion, absolutely. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more honest reviews that help you stay ahead financially.